Most people with mental health issue do not realize it themselves. It is their family members, friends, or loved ones who will notice that this person might be having a mental health issue. You need to take matters pertaining to our mental health very, very serious. That is why I'm making this video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osukojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. In today's video, I want us to look at one particular mental health condition called psychosis. Psychosis is a condition where a person loses touch from reality. So this means that the person always think outside reality. For instance, I'm broadcasting this video from Ghana. So I'm currently in Ghana. Someone with psychosis might believe that he is in USA, and no matter what you tell the person, he or she will still believe he is in USA. There are some signs of psychosis, and these include hallucinations, delusions, disorganized thinking or speech, withdrawal from reality, suspicion or feeling constantly unsafe, then sudden drop in functioning. I would explain each of these signs with some examples for you to get a very easy understanding. So the first one is hallucination. Hallucination means someone, hearing or seeing things. Meanwhile, it is not real. They are not there. So for instance, most people with psychosis might be hearing things. They will tell you that someone is telling me something. Meanwhile, nobody is physically there telling the person something. And also, they might be seeing things. Let's say when they are asleep, they will notice that someone is inside the room. Or when they are bathing, someone is inside the bathroom looking at their nakedness. Hence, most of the time, they will try to bath with their clothes on because someone is there watching them. Meanwhile, there is nothing there. Then the second one is delusion. So with delusion is the belief of something existing. Meanwhile, it is not real. So for instance, let's say I believe that I'm the president of Ghana, and no matter what people say, I still believe that I'm the president of Ghana. Meanwhile, in reality, I'm not the president of Ghana. You understand? So that false belief is also another sign of psychosis, which is delusion. Then we also have disorganized thinking or speech. So when you try to discuss with the person, you notice that the person's speech or the things he's saying doesn't hit on point. You see that when he says something and he pause, you bring something in addition to that one, he will also not pause. Then you bring another thing. So you see that the thing the person is saying is not organized. And that is also another sign of psychosis. Then we also have withdrawal from reality. So sometimes people with psychosis might think that people want to hurt them. So they withdraw from the public space and they like to stay indoors or isolate themselves. And sometimes they might even go and stay in, let's say, a forest where nobody is there because they want to isolate themselves from people. The next thing is suspicion or constantly feeling unsafe. Now, with this one, most people with psychosis might have this kind of issue. They always suspect that even their family members are saying something at their back, or they are belittling them, or they are mocking them. Hence, they always suspect other people. Meanwhile, in reality, none of your family members or your friends are suspecting you. They are not mocking you. But yet still, they believe and suspect people closer to them. And even to the point that they think that they might even hurt them. Meanwhile, that is not what is actually happening in reality. The next one is sudden drop in functioning. So you notice that a person might be struggling in school or their workplace. You notice that there is loss of focus and concentration. That is also a clue of psychosis. Now, one thing you need to have it in mind that you shouldn't wait for all these signs before you say or you think of psychosis. This is because you can get one or two of these signs and it might point to psychosis. Hence, you will need to actually consult your medical doctor for further management of these signs and symptoms. Probably, it might be that you have psychosis. So this is what I would want to share with you in today's video. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos. like this video and then share this video to many people. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.